Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amy, and in today's video I am basically just going to show you how I do my nails at home just using cheap press-on nails, literally from Kmart. It is amazing. I was getting my nails done every 3 to 4 weeks, like professionally, and it was just costing too much. I am in no way a professional. I have basically just taught myself how to do my nails. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you my nails right now because they are bad. It's not even, oh, they are bad. I've definitely neglected my nails. If you are interested and want to know how to do your nails, then keep on watching. To ensure that your press-ons are going to last, you're going to want to start by prepping your natural nails. So basically here you can see that I'm just filing away any of my old nail polish and also gently removing the shine from my natural nails. So here I'm just using a cuticle pusher to gently push back the cuticles and remove any dead skin. Also, you want to be careful not to push too hard as you don't want to hurt yourself. Before applying the press-on nails, I'm now just making sure that my natural nails are cut nice and short and filed back so that they don't stick out underneath the press-on nails. So again, I'm just repeating the same steps but on my other hand.